Let's go, let's go. Grabe, patayo na naman ng mga mage to, mga kaibigan. Palakasan ng mga magic. Salpukan ng mga abnormal. Eto na, let's go. Universe po si Benkay, patay si Benkay. Sora bursting fireball, na down si Wancho. Mamamatay kaya si Wancho. In FF, killing circles are dropping both sides. Snots, nababurst si Snots, mabubuhay ka, patay pa rin kahit naka-NB. Patay din si Siktol, nabuhay, patay nga. Si Wancho, mamamatay si Wancho. Pabayaan nyo, sasabog ang alang-alangan yan, bang. Okay, nag-try ng pull si Boss Toyo, nabigo. Ayan na, nagko-call sila na ipoprotect daw si Sink kasi FF na mga kalaban ng mga yellow si Sink. Galit sila sa pinaka-family head. Eto, binaburst ulit si Benkay. Mamamatay kaya si Benkay? Patay si Benkay! In your face again by Red Team. Bostoyo is trying to get his health again. Helaber is continue on dropping his HP. Can the Red kill this Helaber and Sora? Both two players on the yellow side are getting their HP low. Napuno ulit ang buhay. Back to the ball game, okay? Okay, the Red I think is calling. Okay, they're gathering now. Someone is, I think that's not. Snots is already using his hide for nothing. This is... Okay. Now, Bostoyo is creating a space, but Six always getting... Nice. Okay. They're bursting. Prinis din ang tank. Anong target nila? Si Snots na naman. Tamaan si Snots. Ang favorite nyo. Oh no, Snots. Buhay pa rin si Snots. Makakabubuhay pa ba si Snots? Continue on diving Snots. Red team is already on Debo. You can push if you can. Alright. Nice kills, Snots. Then again, now they're calling for Helaber. They're calling for Helaber. Walang heal. Mamamatay kaya. Walang heal yan. Patay. Ayan pa. Putay na, mamamatay din. Si Benkay. Bang! Nice. Ang ganda ng mga calls ng Red. Cool down. Okay. Ayan na, nagkakall na, nagkwentuhan pa, laban pa. Nagkwentuhan pa sa laban. Naku po! I think healer deep is the problem. Ace Tuna is... Helaber is getting his life, running for his life. Okay, they're trying Snots again. They're trying to hit Snots and Fireball will come to Snots in 3, 2, 1. Oh no! Wrong skill by Nightblood. He uses freeze. But now they'll continue on bursting Snots. Okay. At the yellow side, we see Nightblood getting his HP down. Nightblood will die. No, he will not die. Ang galing. Okay. Let's see if I'm recording. Okay. 3-9 is the score. Nice strategy, Sig. Okay, Kaigo go in already. Chuna is getting his position also. Nine Blood was hooked. And no heal will come. You will die. No, the Debo. Clutch it. Nice Debo. Clutch Debo from the red side. Managed to survive. Nice hook from the yellow side. Bostoy is doing it. And the red is pushing through. Oh no. Wait. Anyone recording? Tangina, lambot ng X-Par. Oh no. Sorry, natahimik ako. Tangina, sayang yung hook, tol. Wala nang heal. Gusto. Nako, Nightblood, katapusan mo na isang ano nilang kidlat, sabi niya. Tinamaan ng fireball. Chase nyo, chase. Tinamaan ng fireball to. Ayun lang, nakalimutan nilang i-chase yung tinamaan ng fireball. Gago, tinamaan na naman. Walang heal yun. Kidlat na lang yun. Mabuhay, tol. Sine-chase nila, nabuhay pa rin. Putang ina, grabe yung sakit, tol. Wow, nice sleep. Sino nagpatulog dun? May sleep na si Pumi. May sleep si Pumi. Kaya wala nakita kay Pumi yun ah. Yung susunod, tinamaan ng ano. Patay, binato. GG.